Founded in 1993, OWON technology brings over 30 years of experience in designing and manufacturing smart electronics. With ISO 9001 to 2015 certification and advanced production lines, we deliver millions of IoT devices every year, ensuring quality and reliability for global partners. OWON focuses on energy management, HVAC control, wireless building management systems, and smart building solutions. OWON product lines, including the smart parameters, smart thermostats, and Zigbee devices, durable and customizable for OEM and ODM projects, providing tailored solutions that reduce costs and accelerate time to market. OWON serves distribution channels, system integrators, and equipment manufacturers. Choose OWON for better pricing, faster delivery, and proven durability. OWON technology, your reliable supplier.